Hello and welcome to MTDCNC India. Today we are here at Drone Festival of India and I am standing in front of Imaginarium booth with my friend Priyesh, and he is going to tell us about on-demand manufacturing of drone components.
So we are here at the Drone Festival of India. It's an amazing platform for us to talk about how can 3D printing and additive manufacturing support the current local drone manufacturing system in India. With our fleet of services, right from 3D printing to vacuum casting to CNC machining and injection molding, we are already serving more than 15 companies in India who are manufacturing drones for surveillance, for mapping, for agricultural purposes, and also for defense.
Wow.
Some of our parts, so I think there are two reasons why I think 3D printing or short batch or rapid manufacturing is a good fit for drone manufacturing. The first thing is we do not need MOQs.
Okay.
Most of the people here in this exhibition are not sure whether their design is going to stay in the same form even in the next month, right? So whereas if you talk about aerospace and automotive, that design change process is too long compared to drones. We also do not need mass production. Imaginarium, our goal is to work in the high mix and low volume segment, where we have more parts but in low volumes, and that is where our USP is. Second thing is, we understand, because we come from a prototyping background, we started from there, we understand the time sensitiveness of these guys. The drone market is super competitive. They really don't want to wait even one day, and most of my drone customers need the part yesterday.
I know, I understand, I can understand that. Yeah.
So I think that's what's the beauty about both these technologies, drone and 3D printing, where you can have on-demand manufacturing. You don't have to invest into any tooling because you can 3D print. And one of the major industries right now who is driving the shift of additive from prototype to production is drones. So we are very actively and aggressively looking at this industry to see how we can support more and more drone manufacturers in India and elsewhere.
Awesome. So you are breaking a myth here that people used to think that 3D printing is only for hobby and making prototyping and all. But now you can do mass production here, and you don't need any capital investment for tooling, and you can reduce your timelines, lead times to only 2 to 5 days.
Exactly.
I mean, this is awesome.
Yeah, it is exactly, and that is the beauty of this technology, right? And apart from the benefits which you mentioned, you can also produce cool geometries like this, right? For drone manufacturers, having less number of parts means less number of chances of failure.
Yes.
So that is where using 3D printing and additive manufacturing, they can consolidate their assemblies into less number of parts to reduce downtime.
Very nice, very nice. So what kind of clients you are, what kind of client base you have, which kind of customers you are offering?
So Imaginarium has been traditionally offering its services to automotive, aerospace, defense, FMCG, and now the latest additions in our belt is drones and EV. So if you talk about EV, we have some big clients like, we are working internationally as well, like Tesla.
Wow.
We are working directly with the Tatas, we are working with Mahindras, we are working with, I think the top 3 drone manufacturing companies in India. Unfortunately, because of NDA restrictions, we don't want to and we are not allowed to say their name, but they are the top 3 drone manufacturing companies in India right now.
That's awesome. That's awesome. Thank you, Priyesh. Thanks a lot.